hope you enjoyed that video. If you like seeing content like this from me, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you are not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you here next time.